Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 12 June 2018, 14 of hour, 31 of minute and 39 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, where do I find the Nvidia control panel? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about where do I find the Nvidia control panel. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about where do I find the Nvidia control panel. The first way is via the Nvidia control panel. Right-click on the Windows desktop and select Nvidia control panel. Navigate to the Help menu and select Updates. The second way is via the new Nvidia logo in the Windows system tray. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.